Hey guys, so I went ahead and got this mini portable vacuum cleaner, and in shipping, my box was kind of damaged here, so I was kind of worried that maybe it wasn't going to work, but I've actually gone ahead and charged it up, plugged it in, and I've tried it, and wow, okay, that's all I'm going to say. Wow. So this comes with an extension that can actually be placed on the end of this. When I take this cap off, you'll see where that extension is. And then this piece here actually has the little brush on the end, or you can actually go ahead and push this little button back and pull it back where it locks into place. And then you have just your slanted vacuum head there. So it does come with a brush for you to be able to clean out the filter that's on the inside, the instruction booklet, and then it is rechargeable, so it did come with a USB line, and then of course the plug for you to be able to charge it. So this is the actual handheld vacuum cleaner, and I like the fact that the handle is actually here on the back, so you can go ahead and use it. This is the button to go ahead and turn it on. Let me go ahead and take this cap off so that you can go ahead and see what it looks like. Okay, so the cap just kind of pops off, okay? There's like nothing special to it. This is the part that you're actually going to vacuum. Oh, my washer's going. Hold on just a second. All right, I just went ahead and came to the car so I can show you a quick demonstration. But this is the actual part that you're going to be using to actually use to suck up all of the dirt and what have you in your vehicle. You can actually go ahead and twist it off. When you twist it off, there is a filter on the inside, as well as... let me twist it off real quick here. Sorry. So there's the filter. You actually can go ahead and pop this out, and that is where you're going to have all of your dirt and what have you. You can see that I've already kind of used it. So, of course, there's a little bit of dirt in mine. But let me go ahead and pop it back on, and let me show you how the attachments work. Okay, so now that I've got the main vacuum head back on it, like I said, this actually would just go ahead and it will actually just slide in just like so. Okay, super easy. If you're needing the extension like this one to be able to get into the small crevices of your vehicle, then you would actually use this one. So my car is super duper dirty, so I just kind of want to show you exactly how this works because I was really impressed with it. Okay, so I went ahead and took out the mat, and I have the vacuum here, and again, just quick touch little push button. It is not super loud, but you probably will be hearing it, and I'm just going to do this section here so that you guys can see kind of how this works. Now, my car is super duper dirty. If you happen to have someone who, let's say you keep your car clean, you know, pretty much all the time, and something actually only gets spilled, you have kind of a little bit of something that gets dropped or whatever it may be, this is perfect to be able to go ahead and pick up that small spill. I would not recommend it for a full cleanup like what I'm doing. I'm just showing you that because my car is super dirty. So I wanted you to be able to see that it actually will pick up the dirt that you have in your vehicle. So, and it does a fairly well job. So I am super impressed with it. I definitely like it, and I would highly recommend it. Yeah. Highly recommend this little guy. Definitely like it compared to some of the other brands that I've tried. The suction power on it is actually really good. The other thing I would say is that it's super easy to go ahead and actually dump. I do like that feature as well, but when it gets full, you can tell that the suction is not as strong as, of course, when it's empty.